Machan politically incorrect. So I stated MK Party 2, Jabulani Khumalo 0. Why? Because this is the second time the MK Party has won against Jabulani Khumalo. So the judge dismissed everything with costs very punitive. And then the communication guys from Jabulani Khumalo contacted me, said, "No, Mashani, you are incorrectly framing it." Because now for me it looked like it was on basis of it is not urgent and stuff. Say no. The judge said you are wasting our time because these people, as you could see on the screen, these people are still directors. So they are reinstated as directors. You see, when Jabulani Khumalo was here, I did not understand what is this MKP NPO meant to be. You would hear, and forgive me for suspecting, because some of you are suspecting that maybe this NPC thing was meant for receiving those monies above 100,000. I don't know, he alluded to something in similar to that line, but does it actually mean that? Does it mean the current MK also wants to use it as such? And if they want to use it as such, is it legal or is it illegal? And are they still directors of the financial responsibilities of that thing? I don't know what it means. You hear, we did a short podcast with Intate Jabulani Khumalo. We still do not understand what it meant. But for what it's worth, should I still keep it? Because, okay, so what they wanted in court, what Jabulani Khumalo wanted in court, and the other directors, because majority of those directors are in line with what Jabu Khumalo wants to claim back that organization from them. So they went to court wanting this to be back. He said it in the podcast. So they got what they wanted. So they could have gotten it even before they went to court. But then this is what it reads. There was therefore nothing on the table for the judge to address. The judge felt we should have withdrawn earlier instead of coming to court. Well, I agree, because the question I asked is, whose responsibility was it to check if they are reinstated? They don't have to go to court. But then if they go to court and that reinstatement is taken back, you see why I'm saying? So that's why I said when Jabulani Khumalo say this thing looks like it has track record, you can prove that this is a fraudulent thing. This is a fraudulent transaction. And if you were removed before, the people who removed you, why are they not facing legal consequences for doing this? Dalimpofu says the judge must not only find punitive against these people for doing what they do, they must also send a harsh message to everyone that people must not use courts like this. But if you heard Jabulani Khumalo, what he says is, it looks like he went to court because he wanted his MKP NPO back. He wanted this thing back, and if he did not go to court, maybe he would not have gotten it back. So in a way, I don't understand. I understand Dalimpofu is playing politics and is also playing laws there, in the way he masters issues of jurisprudence, how these things matters are brought to court. But his defense is just to say, punish these people for doing what they are doing. They shouldn't even do this. And even those who want to do it in future, they must know that you are very harsh on this. I understand that part. But I want you to also understand the part that says, if Jabulani Khumalo did not do this, maybe he wasn't going to be reinstated as a director. You understand? I hope you understand what I'm saying. So he won this battle figuratively, even on technical basis. The matter was put on the roll, even though he got reinstated. Let me repeat. If, let's say, before the court, or 2 days or 3 days before, they looked at their registry of the companies, they find themselves to be there, then they cancel this. Whoever has done it, because they've done it before. In fact, there's a comment I think let me find the comment and put it here to say someone was saying it's not the first time CIPRO has done this. CIPRO has allowed people to do this. Let me find that comment. I'll find it and then we'll play it, just so to say, if indeed people can do this, why don't Khumalo pursue these people who have done this through CIPRO, and they could open criminal cases against the people who would have done this. If they can't find them, it means CIPRO. It means this is what it would mean. It would mean CIPRO has failed not only Jabulani Khumalo, and it would have failed other people as well. If there is a fraudulent case of stealing this thing away from Jabulani Khumalo, I hope you understand, because now it's beyond politics. It's more forensic investigations, because he claims he's got receipts. There were OTPs for changing. And if he's not the one who effects all these OTPs, it means someone wanted to do this illegally, and that person must be pursued. This is what I was saying when he was here. If you've got receipts, why don't you do it? It's the same thing that, because MK won first battle last year. If last year he's got similar proof, why doesn't he take it to court? Unfortunately, I'm sitting here all by myself. I don't have lawyers. I don't know how it understands. So should I remove MK Party 2 not against Jabulani Khumalo? I don't know. Is it 2-1 or is it 1-1? Because it can't be 1-1, because the judgment is on technical basis. The judgment is they punished Jabulani Khumalo and they gave him punitive measures to pay the Dalimpof. Now Jabulani is going to pay Dalimpof for bringing the matter there, because it should have cancelled. So it is on that, but by all intents and purposes, Jabulani Khumalo and his group, they received what they gotten to be directors of MK Party, NGO, and PO. So basically, that's the long and short of it. I hope I made sense. I tried to get them to come and explain themselves. I can understand it's been a very busy day for them. I did not go to court, as I said I wouldn't, but let's see how Floyd Shivambu's court case, Floyd Shivambu matter goes tomorrow, because he'll be announcing that he's leaving. I know somebody say, how much, but who told you? But there's no other way. I mean, if it's a miracle, we'll see it. But there's no way Floyd Shivambu will announce anything besides that he's leaving MK Party. Of course, what we will doubt is he will come with a panel of his people telling us this is who is now going to be this, and people have already started casting aspersions on the leadership, the people who are with Floyd Shivambu, who stole monies there, here and there. Mashan, can correct? Let me leave this one later.